So as we're going around, like I said, my simple instructions, this is brake, off the brake, stay left, stay right. Alright, we'll pull on up. Alright, you just make sure you go nice and slow down this hill. There we go. Alright, and we'll stop right here. And I think there's going to be a Ferrari that's hold right there. Yep. I think there's going to be a Ferrari that's going to come up.
Okay.
And then we'll be right behind that Ferrari.
Try to come around behind the... There you go. Thank you very much.
Alright, and we'll pull on up.
Alright, Jimmy, you're good to go. We got one car, two cars rolling out. Head on out. First row of the track. Go out.
Alright, let's try this one again. We'll give them just a little bit of room, and let's go. Stay to the right, turn into the left, accelerate out to the right side, and we're going to brake. Off the brake, we'll turn through. We'll start to accelerate out, and full throttle. Just spread your hands out for me. There we go. And accelerate out, full throttle. And we'll brake. Off the brake, turn through. There we go. All the way around. Great job. Stay to the left. Stay left. And now bring it in. We'll hold it inside. Exit to the left side. Full throttle. Accelerate out to the right. There we go. Keep going, and we're going to brake hard. Stay straight, straight, straight. Now turn. There we go. Accelerate out. There we go. There we go. Now turn. There we go. And roll on the power all the way. Awesome. Glad we could get that that worked out for you.